Glyphy is a Web 2.0 tool that can be used to organize work in form of a diagram or flowchart. A Web 2.0 tool is a tool that uses interactive media in form of wikis, blogs, and for informational purposes. As the web became used by many people, the creators were looking for new ways to improve the web, so they came up with Web 2.0. The positive thing about Web 2.0 is information will flow freely and people can express their ideas without fear of repression. Web 2.0 has a downfall though. Many web services will be offered for free. They won't be secure and they could easily be targeted by hackers. Some schools say that Web 2.0 is the way to learn for the future. An example of a Web 2.0 tool is Glyphy. You would first want to go to the website www.glyphy.com, click on Try Now, and a menu will pop up.
To create a new project, click on the Create New Document. After that, another menu will appear with more options. Depending on what you're going to do for your project, you can choose from different Venn diagrams, flowcharts, or anything that you see that might help. For example, if you're thinking about making a web page, you can choose the option Website, which will allow you to choose various templates that can help you organize what information you want to include. On the top right corner there is a navigator which shows you an overhead view of the project, allows you to adjust the view size and how much of the project you see at one time. On the left there are symbols that can help you change the shapes of your project. You can choose from any symbol that is available, and if you click on the drop down arrow that says Forms and Components, then it will give you the options on other symbols you can include. You can change the size of this by clicking and dragging where the red circles are. Where the other red circle is, just change the dimensions by numbers.
If you need to create a Venn diagram, there is a Venn diagram option which gives you the option of choosing 3 different styles of Venn diagrams. If you don't like the color of the Venn diagram you chose, then you can change the color. If you also want to change the skin, you can click on the drop down arrow that gives you the different types of skin you can choose from. Another option you can choose from is SWOT analysis. The S stands for strength, the W stands for weaknesses, the O stands for opportunity, and the T stands for threats. The arrow on top pointing to the right represents internal factors, and the bottom external factors. The bottom left represents the positives, and the bottom right the negatives.
Flowcharts can be used to show a step-by-step process of anything you have in mind that includes a process. The flowcharts, organization charts, software design, network diagrams, and business process options are pretty much all the same thing because they are used to show a process or organization of something. If you choose the option flowcharts, then on the left there are symbols you can choose to help change the design of your chart.
The last option is floor plans, which can be used by constructors or college students that are interested in construction. On the left, there are different kinds of structures you can choose from depending on what type of floor plan you are thinking of. For example, in this floor plan, we created a library using the different structure options. If you click on the document properties, a drop-down menu will give you the options of changing the document's length and width in pixels, changing grid line, visibility, page breaks, drawing guidelines, and even adjust the color of the background to your liking.